Hello everyone, welcome to all of you Chauhan Management classes. Today I have a study of discuss of UGC NET first paper teaching aptitude. Today I have a class of under a class study of teaching aptitude. So now I come to the point of the topic this teaching aptitude. Concept of the teaching and meaning of the teaching or definition of the teaching. First of all, I explain the meaning and concept of the teaching. Teaching is a part of the important part of teaching is a most important part of the education. It's a describe the ideas. It's explain the ideas, mentorship and acknowledgeship to each other. Then after teaching is a communication between more or two or more person. Teaching is a communication to two or more person who influenced by the ideas and conversation with to learner to conversation of the learner. This is a teaching process, and teaching teaching aptitude and refers to the teaching aptitude refers an acquired of the skills, knowledge and ideas to each other who influenced by the learner. This is a base depend on the your skills, knowledge, ideas who influenced by the learners. This is a concept of the teaching according to BD Smith. Teaching is the system of the influence by the teaching is the system of the influence by the action of the intent of the induced planning. Now I have explained the nature of the teaching. Teaching is the teaching is a both art and science. Teaching is a both art and science. Teaching is a human social and human activities. Teaching is a social and human activities. Teaching is a professional activities. Teaching is an intellectual task. Teaching is a intellectual task. Teaching is a learner formalities. Teaching is a learner formalities. Teaching is a systematic ideas of the learner. Teaching is a systematic ideas teaching is a systematic distribute the your skills and knowledge and ideas to learner. And teaching is a have a learner format has under a 6E and S is a explain the S is a brief the standard, and 6 is the extend explore engage evaluate and elaborate and explore, elaborate and extend, engage, educate. This is a 6E in teaching aptitude. Now I have continue the objective of teaching. So objective of teaching is a Bloom taxonomy and Gann and Briggs model. This is a two objectives of teaching. Briggs taxonomy. This is the most important to point of the topic of the Briggs taxonomy and Bloom's taxonomy. Teaching has a two objective. First is a one of the Bloom's taxonomy, and second is a Gann and Briggs model. So that this is a I explain the Bloom taxonomy under a three part. First is a cognitive domain, second is a affective domain, and third is a psychomotor domain. This is a part of under the part of Bloom taxonomy under a objectives of teaching. Most important topic point is the objective of teaching. Bloom taxonomy under a two part of the objective of teaching. Bloom taxonomy, Gann and Briggs model. Then first of all, one I have discussed the Bloom taxonomy. Bloom taxonomy has a formalized of the Blooms, and explain the Blooms. And under the study of the three part cognitive domain, second is a affective domain, and third is a psychomotor domain. Then I have a continue. This is a point. Okay. So I have discussed a Bloom taxonomy. First of all, I have told you cognitive domain, affective domain, and psychomotor domain. So cognitive domain under knowledge, comprehensive, application, analysis, synthesis, evaluation. This is a part of under a cognitive domain. Then second point is a affective domain. Affective domain has a under a following a receiving, responding, valuing, organizing, and characteristics. This is a under a affective domain. And third is a psychomotor domain. Psychomotor domain has a following the many factors is a observing, initiating, practicing, adapting, and naturalization. ठीक, this is a under a psychomotor. And second is a objective of Gain and Briggs model. Gain and Briggs model under a following of many steps are the verbal for information, and intellectual skills and cognitive skills, motor skills, and attitudes. This is a objectives of teaching. Next class I have discuss the method of the teaching. Thank you everyone.